Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to boot your USB in HP laptops. So let's get started. First of all, plug into your bootable USB and then press power on key and press to F9 to boot option. Here you can see press the down button and select USB hard drive and press enter to continue and press 1 uh, and press enter again to continue. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe my channel for next video. Thanks for watching.